we would like to believe that Alice Leal Guo is one and the same as Guwa Ping, no?
Oo.
So, patutunayan po namin sa korte yan na iisang tao lamang po itong dalawang pangalan na ito.
Mm-mm. So, meron pa po ba tayong aasahan na iba pang cases? Kailan nyo po planong ihabol yung mga kasunod pa pong kaso?
Well, nasa case build-up na po kami. May mga draft na rin po kami ng mga complaint affidavits. God willing, we will be able to complete all the documentary evidence by next week para makasuhan din po namin sila Mayor Guo at saka yung kanyang mga conspirators, yung kanyang mga business partners and all, no?
Sir, yeah, that was the logical follow-up question kung may iba pang mga kaso. Pero ano po itong forfeiture case din na pinag-aaralan po ng gobyerno? Ano ibig sabihin po nito?
Okay. So, ganito po yan. Now, we have filed these cases against Mayor Guo. Attending to these cases would be criminal forfeitures of all of their properties as well as assets, real or cash. No. Likewise, we're also calling on the AMLC, Anti-Money Laundering Council, na magsagawa rin po ng kaso ng civil forfeiture, no? Dalawang magkaibang kaso ito. Dito sa criminal forfeiture, ang ating pong the burden of proof is on the government, no? Sa amin na nag-aakusa. On the other hand, doon po sa civil forfeiture, the burden of proof transfers to the respondent. Kinakailangan niyang patunayan na yung kanyang mga ari-arian, real estate, and other assets, money and the like, ay hindi galing sa illicit proceeds. So, this is the full force of the law that we're going to throw against the mayor, against her, and against, as well as against her co-conspirators.